American Sign Language, we have noun-verb pairs. We also do similar things in English, like when our schedule tells us that we have a conflict, so we tell the person that the times conflict. We also do this by adding a morpheme to a base verb, changing teach to teacher and work to worker. Noun-verb pairs are generally recognized by the single movement for the verb and the double movement for the noun. Let's try an example. For the sign chair, you sign chair. As you can see, the sign taps twice and shows that this is a noun. Using the same hand shape, the same location, and the same orientation, and changing the movement to only one tap, the sign will mean sit or sit down. Let's try some more examples. The noun book and the verb open the book or close the book. The noun door and the verb open the door or close the door. The noun window and the verb open the window, close the window. The noun airplane and the verb from fly to. The noun backpack or backpack and the verb put on backpack or put on backpack. The noun bicycle and the verb ride bicycle. The noun boat and the verb go by boat. The noun camera and the verb take picture. The noun car and the verb drive. The noun comb and the verb comb hair. The noun food and the verb eat.